So when I was younger, I went to Stagecoach up north, which was like a Saturday drama school. We did singing, dancing, acting, and that was always really, really fun. And then as I was in sixth form, I started to think maybe I'll audition for drama schools. But I didn't really get in anywhere apart from in one school, which was Guildhall. So I was super, super lucky to get that place. And I packed off to London and then started a 3-year training in acting. And it was an incredible, incredible place to train. It was overwhelming moving to London and also just jumping straight into a world of such high quality art, I suppose. So I had to grow up pretty quick, but it was an amazing place to train. So much play, so much imagination, so much creation. It was amazing. But also really, really hard work. Drama school is a tough place to hone a craft. But I had an amazing year group and I was very lucky. At the time, there wasn't a theatre in the town I lived in. There wasn't a theatre in the school I was at either. We just did drama in our canteen. So yeah, there wasn't that much opportunity. I did the National Youth Theatre, which was really great, but again, that was in London. So in terms of where I was from, the theatre was quite minimal. And I think it's got way better since then. But that's why I think platforms like this are so amazing, because you've just got access to so much incredible work at the click of a button. So yeah, I think the thing I would say the most is be yourself. And that's almost an annoying thing to say because I think people say it all the time, and people have said it to me and I've thought, what does that mean? Of course I'm being myself. But I think what I mean by that is don't feel like you need to change for anybody else. Everything that you are is amazing, and that will help you be an authentic and self-empowered actor if you trust that you're enough and you can bring all of that into your work. Acting is creating a change, I think, in someone. I don't mean politically, although it can have that power. I suppose I mean good acting is when you create change in an audience member. So you help them to feel something or see something clearer or discover something. That is really brilliant acting, I think, when you can shift something or shift an attitude or challenge an attitude or move someone, help someone connect to something or realise something. Yeah, I think that's what acting is. I faced a lot of challenges getting to where I am. I think everyone in this industry faces challenges. Especially, I would say, self-confidence has been a huge thing for me. And I've really built it up over the years. But if I'm honest, when I graduated, my confidence was quite low. I think because I was really comparing myself all the time to other people or thinking about what I was lacking as an artist rather than what I had to offer. And I suppose what I've learned is that if you're always looking sideways, if you're always comparing yourself, you're never moving forward. And so as much as possible, it's a daily choice actually, that I decide to choose generosity and openness rather than comparing or jealousy or obsessing over what maybe I have to work on or what I'd like, where I'd like to grow. Instead, I focus on what I have to offer and what I do know and what I believe in and how I can share that. To celebrate yourself and to celebrate how hard you've worked to get here is really important. We don't do that enough. It's very British to kind of apologise for who we are or apologise for what we've achieved. But if you are in this industry, if you consider yourself an actor, that is amazing. So really hold on to that and hear that. And then I'd say don't give up, keep trying, keep learning. And I think the definition of what an actor is changing. And actors are being considered more as artists who can think for themselves, who can make their own work, actors are also writers, maybe they're also singers or musicians at the same time. I think it's important that you allow yourself to be everything that you are as an actor and not feel pigeonholed, that you're just someone who obeys what a director asks you to do. An actor should be an incredibly creative job. So be bold. I'd say own the title of artist as well as just actor. Why not? And make your process your own.